Hey, what's up, you guys? Sorry I look like trash right now, but we have a very exciting day ahead of us. So I'm currently at my storage unit, and I told you guys that I would be Airbnb hopping for the next 5 months until I move out to Denver, but I had some problems. I had 2 Airbnbs cancel on me, and I had a few tell me that they're just not able to host me, and those are everything in my price range, so that option wasn't there anymore. So instead of renting an Airbnb, which the minimum would be about $1,400 a month, and an extended stay hotel would be about $1,500 a month, I went ahead and I leased an apartment for 5 months. I was really shocked that I was able to find a 5-month lease, but today's move-in day. They were like, how soon can you move in? I'm like, tomorrow. So, I forgot that my storage unit looked like this. Yeah. So it's gonna be a great day, but y'all get to see my beautiful new apartment for the next 5 months. It's going to be great for my mental health also, just to have my own place for a while. So let's do this. Done. Thanks to Melina. Man, we really packed this car full. Great. Who needs to rent a U-Haul for like 60 bucks?
Get a hairspray.
I'm not getting you the hairspray. It's just gonna run. You're gonna get it mad.
And it's gonna run anyway.
Just slam it with the whole paper towel roll. Roll it! Roll it!
Not done.
Roll it!
Loving you.
Forgot that this comes with living alone.
You love me.
We're moved in though.
Come on, get over here and pick it up. What are you gonna do without your mother?
Oh no. So the last time you guys saw me, I was screaming because of a water bug, and then like literally my whole shift, I was like so paranoid that I would come back here and my house would just be covered in water bugs from a box that like had babies. I don't know, I have weird fears. So I immediately went to Walmart and bought Raid, the stuff that kills on impact. So I'm safe now. And you know, I got home and I thought I was gonna feel a little lonely because honestly, I've never really lived alone. Like my first apartment where it was just me, like I also had my hedgehog, and then I moved into another apartment where I had my dog Zoe and my hedgehog, and she had 3 cats, and then I moved into my house, and then I had Zoe and Strawberry, and then once Zoe and Strawberry passed away, my best friend had moved in, so I never was technically like alone, and I was kind of like a little nervous coming home tonight because I'm just like, it's just gonna be dead silent. But I put on some music, I started hooping, I got high ceilings, which is awesome, and I'm just really happy. And I'm really happy I got this apartment and I'm not in somebody's Airbnb because I mentioned briefly before when I was outside the storage unit, like, this is just so much better for my mental health. Like, everybody needs some time to be alone, and I feel like when I don't have my stuff and I'm in other people's space and like, I mean, I don't really know how to describe it, but I just feel like I could be more creative and be more of myself when I have all of my own stuff in a place to my own. And it's not a permanent thing. I only signed a 5-month lease because I'm going on my road trip. Probably by July 10th, I'll be out there because my lease is up July 3rd. And I'm gonna move all the stuff out to Colorado, put it in a storage unit, get my car, and get on the road. But until then, this is my new home. It's not set up yet. I got a lot of work to do, and I gotta rent a U-Haul to get my actual big furniture. You like my little makeshift couches? It's the stuff that's gonna go on the couches once I can get them here, but they don't fit in my car, but it's mine. And the next time I'm filming, everything will be set up. So check out my new apartment. you guys, I am officially completely moved in. I love this place so much, like words can't even describe how happy I am to have a place of my own. And I'm really sorry that I didn't get to post a vlog last week, but I've been clearly doing a lot because I'm also picking up as many shifts as I can, trying to work every day because it's not cheap to start up an apartment, and I still want to stay on track with my budget for my road trip and for my move to Denver, so it's been a really hectic past 2 weeks. But I do still have some Puerto Vallarta vlogs that I want to share with you guys, so that will be coming again next week, and I promise I'm going to stick to my Friday schedule. Last week was just a little bit hectic. But thank you guys for sticking with me through this move, and we are going to be back to traveling next week, I promise. I will catch y'all on the next one.